Oh jeez. Hey guys, Gamer here, back with some more Let's Play Minecraft. In the last episode, we did a lot of building. In this episode, we're gonna get up top and try to hopefully finish building. So, how am I gonna start here? Oh, I guess I could. Oh. Stack of dirt should suffice. Hoop, 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 duh. Dur, duh. Chirp derp. I like it up here. Great. This is not gonna be enough wood. This is not gonna be enough wood. This is not gonna be enough wood. I won't even finish it in time. Until I need enough wood. More wood. Best thing I could do is just repeat a pattern that I find. Instead of building it. Like that. Probably gonna get to like there. Oh, uneven. Shoot, I lost that piece of wood. No. Just make sure a creeper wasn't behind me. Good thing I don't have to go all the way back down to get more wood. See? Because it's right here. Oh, da-da. Basically, I haven't been doing any surviving. I've just been building. Surviving through building, I guess you could say. That would have been ultimately the worst. That was ultimately the worst time Creeper Hood popped up. Wow. That was like, oh shoot. That was my, oh dang, I'm probably gonna die now moment. Yeah, that's enough wood probably to finish this. No idea why I'm doing such a nice pattern. Yeah, huh? Yeah, huh. I should put torches down there, but whatever, I'm too lazy. The creepers probably will spawn. Oh, ouchie. I guess I should probably place torches down now, shouldn't I? Hup, hup, hup. And some more huppy hup up right here. Aw. Hup, hup, huppity hup, 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 hup. Ouch, 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 ouch. Maybe one more. There we go. Better. Almost done. Wow. Never thought it'd be this easy. Don't really feel like surviving or mining that much, so probably just gonna stop once I'm done. Derp derp. I was somebody that I was talking to him on Skype, and they heard about that, you know, like the derping stuff. You're like chirp chirp derp. And like it's herp derp, not chirp. Are you a bird or something? Like no, it's chirp derp. I'm like oh okay, you think that. Good times in Minecraft. Good times. Well, that wasn't Minecraft, but still. Oops. Odd. This is odd. Whoops. I'm always whoopsing with WTF. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Dee dee da dee dee doo doo. Oops. Wow. Derp much? Derp much. I should probably did that, like, off screen. Like, see if you guys noticed. Okay, there. Wow, finished. And fall for the win. Awesome. Boom. And collect it all. I just have to fix the glassing, or finish the glassing actually. There we go. Perfect. I like it a lot. Probably gonna wait no. There. Just gonna get some more stone to replace all this ugly dirt. Sorry, dirt. But it's true. Just gonna quick collect some cobble here. Cobble here. Three, four. Let's just leave it at 4. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is a nice way of collecting cobble. 3. There. And nobody derps me about it. Oops. Fix that later. So I got 10 to try to fix this dirt. collect all this coal here. Bloop. Bloop. Could always just do this. Only get the, just find the stone side of it. There we go. I need to get up there and put torches up. Bloop, 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 derp, 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 derp. There. It looks hideous. Hideous. Do 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 do. What is love? Do 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 do. Baby, don't dirt me. Don't dirt me no more. There, a little stairway. Did I fix this part? Whoops. I think I'll stop the video right here. So, yeah. See you guys later. Gamer signing out.